Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new project, which is Modular Robot 3. So this is, you can see in front of you, is a Modular Robot 3. So I use a black and red combination, kind of like a red color, and as you can see here, there are two lights there. So it's like I'm trying to make some sort of signal light and all that. So this is the back side, and this is the front side, by the way. So it's like it is the number 3, so it's like slightly different from every version. So my plan is to make 10 robots, so they can actually, as they are the modular assets, they can actually switch the the weapon, and also some sort of parts, body parts, they can switch. Okay, there is no problem between them. So it's like 10 robots can switch, and you can make a custom one. You can modify them, like you can have a Gatling gun here, another one Gatling gun, and all that. So it's possible. It's fun to use. Okay, so yeah, so you are seeing it from the substance, and I will continue it in Unity. So these are the texture sets. So as you can see, they are separate parts. They are all separate parts. I mean, the knees, the body joint, and all that. Okay, like in the previous one, you can see they are completely separate parts. I mean, from the weapon to body parts and all the things. Okay, so I think you are enjoying, and keep sharing this with your friends and loved ones, and also your colleagues and all, whatever. So okay, I will continue in a part 2, which is the Unity. So thank you guys, keep watching. Hi everyone, as you are seeing in a part 2, this is the Modular Robot 3 part 2. So as you are seeing, I am in a Unity HDRP render pipeline. So you are seeing in front of me the robot. Okay, like the others, like 1 and 2. This is the Robot 3, actually exported from the and ready for game use. They are ready for use in a Unity project. So as you can see, this is like I said, the texture set are working properly, and all the things is looking good. Okay, so as you can see here, the asset comes with the set of FBX file, and also the materials, and also the prefab. Yes, obviously the prefab, the robot prefab, you can drag and drop this robot. You can drag and drop anywhere. And also it comes with the texture set. Obviously the texture set is 4K, by the way. Texture set are 4K, and also you can have obviously the materials. So yeah, they are actually all set. And here you have the parts. As I maximize the view, you can see the parts of the robots. So that what you can do is you can multiple use that to make it like a custom robot or something. Like you can see here, you can have a good observation here, like at the top view, like in the in this view. So like let's say this one, this Gatling gun, I have to reuse this. Okay, something like that. You can put it here, or you can use it somewhere like here to customize this one. Okay, yeah, you see this one you can do. Okay, to make it more violent. Okay, make it more fun, something like that. Okay, you can do this one and this one, more firepowers. Okay, something like that. So it's a completely customizable things. Okay, that's what I call it. It's a modular asset pack. So you can use that and completely come up with a new one. Okay, so guys, I think you enjoy this one, and the third part is remaining, which is the Unreal part. So if you need this asset, just you just need to call me, or you just need to just DM me, no problem. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys. I think you like this one, and you will watch till the end. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, this is the part 3 of the Modular Robot 3 project. As you can see here is with the Unreal Engine 5.3. As you can see here, the textures and all the things is fully ready and they are working properly. So yeah, you can have in a content drawer, you can have obviously the textures and obviously the FBX file, and also the materials. All the materials is there. Okay, they are working as they should. Okay, so if I go to the maximize view, so for the better looking, if I go to the maximize view, you can see I use kind of like mannequin for the size comparison. I use, you can see here from the front side, you can see here from the back side, and you can see here. Okay, so yeah, they are looking quite good. I think from the perspective of the texturing, I mean the rust and all the the dust and all the things is looking looking like it should be. Okay, so here is the top view, here is the other view. So it's like yeah, you can see from the RTS perspective, like here this, and you can see from any other angle. So every material is like they are 4K, by the way. So yeah, they are actually behaving like they should be. Okay, dust and all the things. So they are, the mannequin is like acting like a pilot. So yeah, I think this is the last part, guys. So if you need this asset, by the way, I told before that this is the number 3. But I will focus to make this asset like at least 10 robots, 10 modular robots, 1 to 10. If you take 1 to 10, that is a pleasure for me. If you want to take individual assets, then also no problem. You just need to DM me, and you just need to just DM me for that you need these assets. Okay, so yeah, guys, I think I will end this now, and I will come again with the new asset pack, new things. And please do visit Upward Facebook page, YouTube page, and also the asset store. If you need any asset store asset, if you need any custom asset, you can contact with me, no problem. And if you need any assets that are available in the asset store, you can do. So no problem. Thank you, guys. I love you all, and keep supporting me and keep sharing the content. Okay, thank you very much.